sound test with the stock muffler. To be honest, I really don't have a problem with the sound. I really kind of like it. But I do have a problem with the tremendous amount of weight. And if anything, even if I don't get any extra performance, I'll get a tremendous weight savings, which will make it a whole lot nicer off-road and trying to pick this beast up. Well, let's get the exhaust swapped out and see what the difference is in sound. I have a full exhaust, DanMoto, and then I have just a can, eBay special. We'll compare them both and see what happens. Okay, we got the exhaust all hooked up. Been running it. Looks good. But oh my God, this thing is obnoxiously loud. This is not gonna work for me. So, if anybody's interested in buying a DanMoto full race exhaust, got one cheap, barely run. Too loud. Okay, so we put the catalytic converter back on, mid pipe, and then put the slip on, which is a bear. It was much quieter. I can live with that.